guys, let us see how to make drumstick curry. First, cut the drumsticks into 2-inch pieces as shown in the video. Check the description to know the exact list of ingredients. In this Goan drumstick curry, I have added onion. Do not add onion if you are making a no onion, no garlic curry. Do try out this recipe. It turns out very yummy. Keep the chopped drumsticks aside. Now let us see the ingredients. We need some chopped and peeled drumsticks, chopped onion, freshly grated coconut, toor dal, tamarind, turmeric powder, dry red chilies and some coriander seeds. To a mixture jar, add grated coconut, tamarind, coriander seeds, dry red chilies, turmeric powder and little water. Grind to make thick, smooth paste. Wash the toor dal in little water. Add the dal to a steel container or dabba. Add some onion. Add little water. Close the container and keep it in the pressure cooker. Remember to add some water in the pressure cooker. Pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. After the dal is cooked, keep it aside. Heat a kadai and add water. Add the drumsticks and let them get boiled. Add the ground paste from the mixer jar. If needed, add little water and remove the extra coconut paste. Mix well. After some time, mix the pressure cooked dal. Stir well. Simmer on medium to low flame. Add salt to taste and mix well. Zero oil vegan drumstick curry is ready. This curry is also known as Sangacho in Goa. Serve it hot with rice. If you like the recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.